Hello students, so today we will see chapter 7 logarithm class 9 ICSE. Uh, how can we write logarithm? Suppose a number is there a and it is to the power x is equal to n. A to the power x equal to n is the equation. So how can we write the log of this? You have to remember this thing. You have to remember log of n to the power base a equals x. That's the formula of log. Suppose a to the power x equals n, then log of n to the base a becomes equal to the exponent x. This is the formula of log. Suppose it is there 4 cube equals 64. How can we write it in the log format? It becomes log of 64 to the base 4 equals 3. Simple. Suppose we write log of n to the base a. Yeah, suppose this a is 10. Suppose any number is to the base 10, then we can write it as lg, not log but lgn. I'll write it again, lgn, log n directly. Instead of writing log 10n, we can write it as lgn log n. And the logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Log of 1, we have to remember log of 1 to any base, be it a, is equals 0. These things we have to remember. Log of any number to the base 10 can be written as lgn. Any number n to the base 10 can be written as lgn log n, and log of 1 to the base a can be written as 0. Log of 1 to any base, log of 1 is always 0, be it any base. We have to remember this. Alright, now let us calculate some log problems. Suppose let us calculate 16 to the base 2. Log of 16 to the base 2. Log of 16 to the base 2. How do we calculate this? Log, we'll write it, log of 16 to the base 2 equals to x. So now through writing it in the equation format, 2 to the power x equals 16. Yeah, so 2 to the power x becomes equals to 2 to the power 4, because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals 16. From this we derive x equals 4. This is the answer. I hope you are able to understand this problem. Log 16 to the base 2 becomes 2 to the power x. We will take it as x, and 2 to the power x equals 16. From this we derive 2 to the power x equals 16. Therefore 2 to the power x becomes equals to 2 to the power 4, and x is equal to 4. Now let's solve another problem. Log of 5, log of a to the base 5 is equal to 3. It's given. Log of a to the base 5 equals to 3. So now we have to find the value of a. How do we do that? It's very simple. We'll take 5 to the power 3 equals a. Therefore a equals 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Simple. A is equal to 125. So these are the problems. Let's look at another problem. For your convenience, I'll share another problem with you. It is given log x square minus 1 to the base 2, log x square minus 1 to the base 2 equals log 8 to the base 2. So it's simple. Since log to the base 2 is common both sides, so we can write it x square minus 1 equal to 8, x square equals 9, 9x equal to root under 9, x equal to plus minus 3. That's the answer. So I hope these simple problems you are able to understand. Thank you. So coming back, let's take a look at some laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms. So basically we have three laws, and that is law 1, log of m into n to the base a. Log of m into n to the base a becomes log m base a plus log n base a. Log of m into n to the base a becomes log m base a plus log n base a. Second law, log of m by n to the base a becomes equal to log m base a minus log n base a. It becomes plus, that becomes plus, and this is minus. And the third law is log of m to the power n base a becomes equal to n log m to the base a. Log of m to the power n base a becomes equal to n into log m base a. These are the three laws, very important laws you have to remember in order to solve problems regarding logarithm. Now let's take a look at some examples. First example, we have to prove this log of 1 plus 2 plus 3 base a equals log 1 base a log 2 base a plus log 3 base a. I hope you are able to see the problem. We have to prove log 1 plus 2 plus 3 base a is log 1 base a plus log 2 base a plus log 3 base a. So let's solve this. Taking the LHS part first, left hand side, log 1 plus 2 plus 3 base a, 1 plus 2 plus 3 gets added up and it becomes log 6 base a. Now what can we write log 6 as? Log 6 can be written as log 6 base a can be 1 into 2 into 3. 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3. Therefore it becomes log, by substituting in this formula, log a m into n base a becomes log m base a plus log n base a. Similarly here, log m into n into q base a becomes log 1 base a plus log 2 base a plus log 3 base a equals RHS. Hence it is proved. I hope you are able to understand. It's very simple. Log 1 plus 2 plus 3 becomes 6. 6 we factorize and it becomes 1 into 2 into 3, and we'll simply put it in the formula of logarithm, and it becomes log 1 base a plus log 2 base a plus log 3 base a. Now let's take a look at another problem, similar type. We have to prove, second one, we have to prove log a square by bc plus log b square by ca plus log c square by ab equals 0. We have to prove log a square by bc plus log b square by ca plus log c square by ab equals 0. So how do we do that? Now we have to put it directly in the formula of logarithm. So taking the LHS part is this part. We can take it in the form log m plus log n plus log q. Log m plus log n plus log q becomes equal to log m into n into q. Therefore it becomes a square by bc into b square by ca into c square by ab. So we can see a square and a cancel out, b square and b cancels out, and c square and c cancels out. So it becomes log 1, and as we have seen earlier, log of 1 is 0, hence this equal to RHS. It is proved. It is equal to 0. Now let's look at another problem. Third problem, we have to prove again log of 9 by 8 to the base 10 plus minus log of 27 by 32 to the base 10 plus log of 3 by 4 to the base 10 equals 0. Now taking LHS here, log of, first we'll take this part in the problem. We'll take this part first. Log 10 9 by 8 divided by 27 by 32 plus log 10 3 by 4. So log of 10 9 by 8 into 32 by 27 plus log of 10 3 by 4. 4 is a 30. So it becomes log of 10 4 by 3 plus log of 10 3 by 4. So what do we get here? Log of 10 4 by 3 plus log of 10 3 by 4 becomes equal to log of 10 4 by 3 into 3 by 4. It cancels out and we remain with log of 1, which equals to 0. Hence RHS. It is proved. So let's take a look at two more problems regarding logarithm. If log x to the base 10 equals a plus b given, and y equal 10 to the power a minus b, this is also given, we have to find the value of log x square y cube to the base 10. We have to find this. So let's solve this. Taking y equals 10 to the power a minus b, how can we write this? We can write it as log we can write it as 10 to the power a minus b equals y. Therefore log y to the base 10 equals a minus b. Taking this as first equation, this is second equation. Now log x square y cube to the base 10 equals log m into n. We have to put that formula, log 10 x square plus log 10 y cube. Log 10 x square y cube, the which we have to find, equals log 10 x square plus log 10 y cube, and according to formula it becomes 2 log 10x plus 3 log 10y. Now log 10x is, we have seen log 10x is a plus b, log 10y is a minus b. So putting the values of equation 1 and 2 in this one, 2a plus b plus 3a minus b, 2a plus 2b plus 3a minus 3b, 5a minus b. That's the answer. Or to log 10 x square y cube equals 5a minus b. Now taking another problem. The last one, let's check. The last one, the log 5 to the base 10 plus log 5x plus 1 to the base 10 equals log x plus 5 to the base 10 plus 1. So we have to solve this. We have to in fact find the value of x for this. I hope you are able to see the problem. Log 5 to the base 10 plus log 5x plus 1 to the base 10 equals log x plus 5 to the base 10 plus 1. This is given. Now we have to solve for x. How do we solve this? Log 5 to the base 10 plus log 10 5x plus 1 can be written as, according to formula, log base 10 5 into 5x plus 1, and the right hand side becomes log 10 x plus 5, log 10 x plus 5, and 1 can be written as log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10 can be written as 1. Always remember, log 1 equals 0 and log 10 to the base 10 becomes equal to 1. So log 1 can be written like that. Now solving, log 10 5x plus 1 equals we'll put it directly in the formula, log 10 x plus 5 into 10. So log 10 common, so 5 into 5x plus 1 equals 10 into x plus 5, 25x plus 5, 10x plus 50, 25x minus 10x equals to t minus 5, becomes 15x equal to 45, x equals 3. That's the answer. I hope you are able to understand this problem. It's very simple. Just put it in the formula, and there's a trick part here. One we have to take log 10 to the base 10, and directly we will substitute in the formula to get the value of x, which is equal to 3. I hope the logarithm chapter is clear. Thank you for your cooperation.